Watch me build a profitable sales funnel in Kartra in 10 minutes. Full tutorial. Okay, so you've heard about Kartra, maybe you signed up for an account and you want to build a sales funnel. Well, you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to walk you through building a sales funnel in Kartra. We're going to do it step by step, and you're going to know exactly how to do it, and we're starting right now. Hey guys, JR Fisher here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget, there's a bell next to it. You gotta click the bell. It'll make that noise right there, right? And then you got to turn on all notifications. Now you'll want to do this because this way you won't miss any videos. Once you've turned on all notifications, I can let you know as soon as I upload a new video, or if I'm going live, and you won't miss a thing. You'll be part of that VIP group, the Fisher family. Now I've been selling online since 2009, sold millions of dollars, both digital and physical products, and I gotta tell you, I learned a lot along the way. And on this channel, my goal is to actually help you grow your business. If you need to start one, start one. If you need to grow one, grow one, and how to run it on a daily basis. So this channel is devoted to that, guys. I also want to give you a little bonus. There's a $97 e-commerce course. You'll find it in the description below. You just click the link and learn. You don't have to have a credit card or anything. You can just click and start watching the training, which is super simple to do. Now, what questions or comments do you have about building funnels? I want you to put that in the comments below. Now if you have particular questions about building funnels, put them in there. If you found something useful in this video and you like it, put that in there. It'll help other people out. Okay, let's get to it. Let's start building that funnel in Kartra. I'm going to run over to Kartra right now and show you how to do it. Okay, I'm at my Kartra dashboard right now, and you know what a funnel is really consisting of. It's consisting of a page, and it's going to be consisting of selling something on that page, and once they buy something from that particular page, it's going to go to another product and offer them that product too. So the first thing I'm going to do is just show you a page and show you how this is built. So I'm going to go to my pages here, and I'm going to pick one of the pages I have here that I'm actually selling products online. So let me go up, and I'm going to go all categories, and I'm going to slide down here to our survival food company. Okay, so I'm going to pick right here our free credit card knife. Okay, so let's select that. And we're going to go in here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how this funnel is built out, and you can actually do the same thing yourself. So let's just go to it, and we'll go edit. And once we're into the edit part here, we have the page name, the category that it falls into, and we don't have a site attached to it. Now this site attached to it here is a new thing they put in Kartra. We have not started using that yet, but if you had sites and you wanted to add sites in here, you could do that. So I'm going to click edit right here, and we're going to actually open that page and go into editing that page. Now Kartra is a little different from some things you're going to use, because in Kartra what you need to do in advance is to actually build all the components that go on the page. So in this particular page here, what I've done is I have a video. So I had to build this video first. So that's the first thing you want to do, and then you want to upload it as an asset. And then what you're going to do is you're going to build your actual product. In other words, the product would be this credit card knife right here, and make sure that product is available. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to have our order form here, and we can attach that order form to that particular product. As you can see here, I've put all of the benefits of this knife here: free bonus gift, $29 value, emergency food survival guide. I highly recommend that you give these bonuses on anything that you're selling out there, guys, because you know that really helps conversions. I have another little video down here, then I have some testimonials about this particular knife here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in here and show you how this order form here works. So I'm going to click edit. Now this order form here has three different things. You have the style, okay, and all the style is on an order form is the spacing on it. That's all it really is. And then you have the checkout. Now the checkout is the important part, guys. Here what we're going to do is we're going to look for this particular product, and this one here is the free credit card knife, and you can see I have all my products in here I built first. Okay, so everything from, you know, all my businesses are in here, but we're going to leave it there because that is a product we use. And then we're going to say product right here, free credit card knife. That is the actual product. Okay, so this is the product funnel, this is the product right here. It's the free credit card knife. And then what I've got down here is multiple price points. Now when I build this product, I decided on multiple price points because what I'm doing is I'm offering, I think 1, 5, and 10 on this one here. Multiple price points right here. Okay, and then we're going to click apply. Okay, now I've already done that, so I don't need to do this here because this form's already set up. But if you notice, if we come over here, there's multiple parts to this order form. It defaults to this one here, which is what I want. This is the default one. This is 10 credit card knives right here. So what I will do is I will actually publish this live, and I'll get the link so you can actually see the page, so you can see how it operates. So I'm gonna get the page link right here, and I'm gonna actually go to that page right here. Now this is the actual live page, and there's a little video here showing this knife, and you can see it defaults to this one here. Now let's look at this real close, guys, so you can see what I've done here. Only thing we charge for is shipping and handling on this credit card knife. We don't charge for the actual knife itself. We give it to them free. So if they want to get one, the shipping on it's $3.99, okay? And they can get one knife, and it's free, okay? But if I were to check this box here and I click continue, what it's going to do is it's going to populate $3.99 charge for shipping, but the knife will be free. Then I have the one with 5 right here. It's $2.99 shipping per knife. Okay, so it'd be 5 times 3, roughly 15 bucks, and that would calculate the shipping, but the knives are going to be free. And then the best deal, of course, is $1.99 per knife. You get 10 knives, and we'll select that one just so you can see for the purpose of this. And I'll click continue. Now what it's done here is it's filled in all this information down here, all this address information, my name and all that, because I've used this before. And I'm going to go ahead and pick the country, which is the United States, and we'll go ahead and click continue. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask for the actual billing details. Now I can click this button here and it will populate the same, okay? Then I click continue right here. Okay, now this is where they actually have to pay. So they're going to put in their credit card number, they're going to put in whatever comes after that, their expiration date and all that, and then they're going to go ahead and submit payment. Now that's how the form actually works. So what we want to do now is we want to look at how this form is set up. So we're going to go ahead and go into the form. Now what happens on the form is it actually goes to a thank you page after they buy this particular one. So we're going to go find this form that I've built, and it's free credit card knife, free credit card knife. Okay, so this is the product funnel we're looking at here, and this is the actual form. So I can go to that form. Let's go back here and take a look. We'll go back to Kartra now. Okay, so I've come over to the product right now, and I'm in the free credit card knife one right here. So let's go ahead and edit that one right here. And we're going to go ahead and edit the product. And this is the credit card knife free downloads, okay? So I'm going to click next. And I'm going to actually go in and show you how this is edited inside of Kartra. So I'm in Kartra. This is the credit card knife right here. And you can certainly change if you want to change any of the product details here. This is where you would do it. I don't need to do that. I just want to show you how it goes to the actual upsell. So we'll do save and next. Now, this is where we set all of the different price points. And if you notice this one here, it's defaulted to this one here, the 10 of them, because we'd like for them to buy 10. But you can change that default right here. However you want to set it up, you can make, whatever one default. This is set as a default price, this one right here. Okay, but let's go back. We'll save that. Okay, and shipping cost right here. This is a physical product, so shipping cost right there. You want to have your refund policy in here too. I've never had anybody ever return one of these. So let's go to next. Okay. Now, The thank you page is a sample can one-time offer. Okay, so let's take a look at this real quick. Now these are pages I built, sample can OTO. Okay, and if you see, these are all the different things I can offer people. So I built in there, once they buy this credit card knife, it goes to another page, which is the sample can one-time offer. It's a Kartra page. Okay, so what I want to do is I actually want to show you that page right now, and we're going to go ahead and save it next. And this is where I also set up the checkout, and you can change your checkout page right here. I got a Kartra hosted one, which you saw when I was looking at the actual page itself. And these are the fields that I'll have on the checkout. This is express checkout right here. And then I tag them too if they get to the stage and they didn't buy it, so I can send them some emails. We click next here. And this is post sale right here. So this is after the sale. It says accessing your product contents. On that particular one, I gave them the food survival guide. So what I did is I just included that here so that it'll automatically send them an email and they can get that free guide. Okay, so I'm good to go here. I click save and next. And save it next. If I want affiliates to be set up in there, I can do that too. So now what I'm going to do is go to the pages, and I wanted to show you the next page it's going to go to, because that that product is set to go to another page. So what I want to do is go to the page, and I'll put OTO. I know that's part of it, so I can search it, and it's a sample can. So let's find that real quick. Okay, so here's my sample can OTO. So once they bought that credit card knife, I built this page here. Let's take a look at it. And we're going to, I'll get the code, we'll just do it that way. So once they bought the credit card knives, paid for their shipping, they're going to go to this page here. This page here is going to offer them these sample cans right here. Okay, so I have a little video that plays that tells them all about it. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right now, but it says try all 5 delicious meats for only $59. Regular price is $99. So this is the sample can one right here. Okay, so we offer them this for 59 bucks, and they get free shipping. All right, now the other thing that happens is if they buy the sample can, it actually goes to a case of meat after this. So let's take a look at that, and let's see, there it is, one-time offer. So once they buy a sample can, we say, hey, you bought the sample can, why don't you go ahead and buy a case of it now? Okay, so we've gone from credit card to sample can to cases. So let's look at the case one. And it says, hey, wait, your order's not complete. Wait, special one-time offer. You can get one case right here at $1.47 per serving, 108 servings, and you can get it for $159, regularly $259. You save 100 bucks. Or you could do this one right here where you get 5 cases. Okay, and this one here is $745, and you save $550 because it's regularly $12.95, and you get free shipping on this particular one. And we've got some, testimonials down here and pictures and stuff. So basically, that's all you really need to do. You need to have your initial product. You need to have your upsell, which is going to be a little bit more expensive. So we went from credit card knife to sample cans, which were $59, and then we went from that to trying to sell them cases of meat. So as you can see, we went from something that's free plus shipping to offering them a sample of our canned meats, the small cans, which was $59, to this offer here that I just showed you that was anywhere from $159 to $745. So as you can see, once they get in that funnel, it gives you the opportunity to sell them more products. So that's a pretty cool thing. So all you need to do is set this up the way I showed you. You can put whatever products in there you want. You want a cheap one in the beginning, you want a little bit more expensive one, and then you want a way more expensive one. Now, if they don't take the second one, we also have a down sell, which I didn't show you, but if they don't take that one, it drops down to a lower price item. So maybe we sell them 1 or 2 cans, something along those lines. So that's really all there is to it. With a tool like Kartra, you've got it made. I'm telling you, it's really pretty cool. You can make you a lot of money, and it is something that you really need to help grow your business. So grab your Kartra membership, go down there in the description. There's a link down there. If you click on that particular link, you can watch a free video. If you want to sign up for Kartra, it's a $1 trial. That's our affiliate link right down there. Don't forget, like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, you got to make sure you subscribe. That's super, super important. And you want to ring the bell, turn on all notifications. That's super important that you also do that. If you turn on all notifications, you're part of the Fisher family, the VIP group, and I can notify you every single time I upload a video or I go live, and that way I can maybe talk to you online. Don't forget, put your comments below if you have any questions about this. If you've done some funnels yourself, you know, tell me what you like, what you dislike, whatever it is. Put your comments below. I just want to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.